So I know with most traditional unboxings, we go through every panel of the box, but for this one, let's just get into it and see exactly what we've got. As you open it up, you're greeted with streaming with ease. So you get right in and you are greeted with a nice, hefty, quality product and the Mevo Core itself. Set that over here. And let's pull out this side box. We have got the cable, we've got a quick start guide, and we even have a Mevo Pro trial so you can get all of the awesome features that we include with Mevo Pro. And let's just start and talk about the product. Now take a look at this stunning design here. The Mevo Core boasts a compact form factor measuring about 3.5 inches in each dimension. It weighs just about 1.5 pounds with the battery installed, which that means it has interchangeable battery. It's equipped with 4 1/4-20 threaded mounts all around, offering a versatile setup option for any production scenario. A Micro Four Thirds interchangeable lens mount. Now, this powerful combination offers unparalleled image quality and flexibility. Whether you're shooting wide landscapes or you're doing tight close-ups, the right lens can make all of the difference. Mevo Core integrates seamlessly with the Mevo Multicam app. The Mevo Core transforms your streaming experience, easily allowing you to control multiple cameras, switching angles, and stream directly to all of your favorite platforms, all with a few taps of your device. Now, connectivity is a key for any modern camera. The Mevo Core is equipped with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB-C port, 2 of them with an HDMI output and a 3.5 audio input. But let's talk about what you don't physically see on Mevo Core. It offers the flexibility of both NDI HX as well as SRT, providing true flexibility to integrate into your existing production setups. You can even use Mevo Core as a wireless webcam for your favorite Windows and Mac tools such as Streamlabs Desktop, Discord, Zoom, and more, using our desktop application. Gone are the days of single product use. Its vast capabilities make it a tool that anybody would want in their streaming kit. Now, audio quality is just as important as video. We mentioned the 3.5 onboard audio jack for sound system integration, but the Mevo Core also features a 3 microphone MEMS array with spatial audio processing, ensuring crystal clear sound whether you're capturing a musical performance or a keynote speech. Out in the field, no worries. The Mevo Core's rechargeable lithium-ion battery is comprised of 2 battery cells, offering a substantial recording time of 6 hours. You're always ready to capture the action. To sum it up, the Mevo Core isn't just a camera, it's a powerhouse for content creators. Capturing HD video with the freedom of choosing your lens and streaming wirelessly, the Mevo Core invites you to stream with a vision. Whether you're producing for a house of worship, live event, or a sports game, remember, it's all about elevating your productions, being multicam ready, and delivering broadcast quality in every shot. Now, if you're ready to take your live streaming to the next level, visit our website at mevo.com to learn more about Mevo Core and see how it can transform your production. Don't just capture the moment, stream it with a vision. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you go to help.mevo.com and our team would be happy to help you. Of course, as always, please like, follow, and subscribe on all of our social channels at Mevo Camera. Until next time, everyone, I'm Joe from Mevo, and I'll see you on the next video.